In this lesson, we're going to make our first dashboard from scratch. To do that, you can open your metadata folder, navigate to Dashboard, Lessons, this is Lesson 7, and make a new file and call it whatever you want. Next, remember to point your startup dashboard to this one. So right-click on this, copy the path, go to index.json and just replace your startup dashboard. Remember, when doing this, you have to remove the dashboard slash and the .json from the end. And if you refresh this in your browser, you will see that this isn't valid JSON because we haven't added anything yet. So let's start doing that. As we discussed in the previous lesson, all dashboards or components should always be JSON objects. So we make curly braces, and we're going to make a container simple. So the type of the components is container simple. We need properties, and this one will be single page because it's a dashboard. We want to fill the screen so the value is true. We want to give it a background color of light gray. This is from our theme file, our colors theme. We also want to give it some padding. Let's see what that looks like in the browser before we change anything. We have the light gray over there, and now we want to add child components or widgets. Here we'll add a label. Let's give it some properties. CPT stands for caption, and it's the text of the label. So let's refresh and see what it looks like. You see the label up there. Now we want to change the font size of the label. Let's make it a big one. Change the color of the text to red, and let's change this text. Here we have our big red label, and now let's make a small blue label. Again, we need the type, we need properties, smaller font size, and the color, of course. And there you have it. At this point, you can start playing around with some of these properties that we have added. For example, you can remove the padding. You can change the background color. And you can also play around with the font sizes and colors and captions.